What's up, you guys? It's Kia here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing like a wig review, wig customization video. I was sent this wig from ReadyWig.com, and I'm going to be showing you guys all the details about. Okay, you guys, this is what the box looks like that the wig came in, and it's so freaking cute. And I received the wig about 3 to 4 days after contact, and it was just here so fast. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Of course, I took the wig out already, and it comes with a spray bottle, which is very convenient. It comes with some wig caps, so I didn't have to buy any. It's inconvenient, okay, but that's really convenient. And oops, and it comes with the hair care card, and of course, it comes with the wig. Okay, you guys, upon taking the wig out of the box, it was wrapped up really nicely, and the packaging was really nice. Of course, I started going through the hair and feeling for it. What it feels like is really soft, it's really shiny, and I'm about to show you guys what it looked like. I started playing with the lace a little bit, the customization of it, because I'm trying to, you know, get to that, because I don't really customize my wigs, and I'm going to show you guys how I do this one. But I have it on this mannequin head here, you guys can see. So I'm going to take it off and show you guys what it looks like on me. Okay guys, this is what the wig is looking like on. It's really straight, shiny, stringy as hell. Let me comb through it. It combs through really nicely. She's a shedder. So see, she sheds, of course. I expect that with synthetic straight, synthetic wig, of course. It's really cute. I haven't seen straight hair on my face in a long time.
So with the front of the wig, with me thinning it out, I took the end of a comb and I just sectioned off the hair straight down, and I took a clip and I just pinned it out of the way. And I just started taking smaller sections from the front, and I just started to individually grab the hair and I started pulling them. You also could use tweezers, but I just felt like my fingers were better. And I started pulling the hair towards me away from the wig because I didn't want to tear the lace. And this just makes it a little bit more flattering. And so I just continued that on that side, and I also did the other side. So while I was customizing the front, the ends got a little bit jank. So I just took my thermal brush and I just started combing through. And then I took my blow dryer and I used the comb attachment to get the heat directly on the hairs. And I just used my comb and comb through it, my comb attachment and comb through it. And it knocked those naps all the way out. It made it look brand spanking new. And I also just took the blow dryer through the hair to finish polishing up the hair, making it look nice. And yeah, that's what I did to customize this wig.
Okay, y'all, after hours, I mean literally hours of putting this thing on, I finally have it on, and this is what it's looking like. And this is the front of it. I think I did okay. I think I did pretty good. I'm not gonna, you know, beat myself up, but I think I did pretty good for my first time ever, like, using this got to be free spray on my hair. And ooh, getting a little, now this side janked up a little bit, but I'm gonna see that, you know, I'm still gonna practice a little bit more with that technique as far as using the spray. So, but so far I think it looks really good. I'm really happy about it. I haven't seen myself in straight hair in so freaking long. It's crazy, especially in that middle part. I love doing a side part. I just love that look, but I haven't done the middle part in such a long time. And very long, I think it's 22 inches. Don't quote me on that. I'll put it down below, the exact measurements of it, but it's really long. I usually don't wear really long hair because it tends to tangle, it tends to do what it want to do on its own. I don't really mess with it, but I'm loving this look, this vibe. But my cap feels so snug. I never have to use the straps in the back. Of course, I want to take the combs out of it. I just didn't get a chance to do it now, but it's very comfortable. I was able to get the lace down all the way, but I will say if you are like real like particular about the lace being a particular color, I will tint it if I were you, but I usually don't even lay my wig down, just pop a wig on. I'm just one of those type of girls that just pop a wig on and go out the door. But if you are one of those girls, you like the wig to be more laid down and kind of flesh to your skin tone, you want to tint the lace a little bit. And I did pluck it, so it looks a little bit natural, but then again, you probably can't tell because it's so much hair here, but it doesn't even really matter. But I give this wig like a 4.5 because, you know, it's real pretty. I didn't have a lot of problems with it. It's snug. It fits really nice. The lace is really nice. The style is gorgeous. But overall, I really like this unit. I would give it a 4.5. It fits really nice. The hair is really soft, shiny. It's comb. I can comb through it. If it gets tangled, I can comb it right out. And if you guys like this unit, I am going to leave everything down in the description box below, so you make sure you check it out. And I have a coupon code down below, so you guys make sure you check it out. You guys remember to love, embrace, and celebrate who you are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.